Wow, what a beautiful morning. Isn't autumn lovely? Yeah, love it. You okay, Poe? Are you alright? Oh, it's muddy. Look at your tummy. Oh, Poe. So we went for a walk in the woods. She didn't like it at all. Big as my hand. Wow, they're cool. And this time of year, you've just got to get out and about. Leaves on the ground, fallen from the trees. It is, autumn's what you expect it to be, damp, wet. And if it isn't, it's a bonus. And the sunrise was a good morning. This little guy was funny. And then it just felt weird because it was so clear and blue sky. Sounds like it's starting to rain. I think it's this oak tree. I think it's dripping. Oh, look at that. How cool is that? Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh man. And they've added turn signals because it's just easier nowadays. How beautiful is that? Love it, absolutely love it. This is a crocodile. Me and the croc are going to see a rehearsal for Captain Hook, Hook's Revenge, and guess who's in it? Crocodile. So yeah, got to put all this in the car. That's the clothing that's worn for the arms and gloves and knee pads and things. It's not all together properly, but it's got a jaw that works. It opens wider than that when it's all connected. Hey, how you doing? I just want to show you a few things going on in the workshop at the moment, and they're worth seeing. Let me show you. So what is it about Hone Rite Gold? Okay, so we've got all the things and they've got all the stuff on there and it looks like it's made in England here. Hone Rite Gold. And I've put a little bit in there and look what it does. And does anybody else have this? I'm using less and less of the Hone Rite Gold. It's about half full. Will I buy it again? Does it make a difference to the stones? Yeah, it does. It stops them going a little bit dirty and mucky looking. But is it worth the hassle? Is it worth all this crystallised stuff going on? I don't think so. I mean, look at it. It's gross. I don't know whether it's doing any good or any harm. I don't know. It's gross, isn't it? Right, cup of tea. So there's a bit going on the bench here because I've got a bit of a couple of squares that need checking. So as more guys are coming onto the workshops, these new ones here are great. This is Robert's Parts Made. He's lent me that to check and it's been great to do. And I'm thinking of doing a video of it, but the problem is I think it's going to take a little while. But I've got people borrowing my squares and I want to make sure each square is spot on. These are all old ones. These two are brand new. These are like 30 or £40 each. These are like £5 each. What do you think? I can't do it today now. It's gone dark. I'm tired. But these are the tools. Diamond stone, small diamond, vernier calipers, file, not a tape measure, not for this, it's a bit finer than that. But yes, getting the square, I'm going to have to do it, I can't do it now. But I've done one of them, and actually it's a beautiful process. So I think I need to get a whiteboard down, write the process down, and then go through the process to make sure that a square is square. And I need to get this back to Robert, because I feel really bad that I've had this for a couple of weeks now, a few weeks now. So yeah, this is a vlog, but I think the next one video, or in a couple of videos time, it'll be about the cylinder square. It's fascinating. So I think it would be nice to be able to say my squares are all to the same standard. 100% perfectly, 100%. Do you get 100%? But anyhow, all to the same standard, equal to, or we'll check those as well. It's got to be a process that works. If you enjoy my channel and what I do, you can donate and support the channel. If you scroll down, go to the thanks button, which is just there, hit that. You can choose to donate £2, £5, 10 or £50, which helps me improve my channel. Cheers, guys. So if you've been following some of my videos, you'll see, there you go, that one's done. This little one's done. These two need doing, and because there's a bit of rust on the end of there, I'm going to sharpen this up, sort this chisel out, because it's it actually bends over at the end. It drops down. So sharpened with an oil stone, over sharpened, and see if we can flatten this out. 5 minutes, and on 400, 5 minutes, you can see what's going on. High, low spot, but look how low the bottom at the end is. It's very low. So I'm just up to there. This is going to take a while. It's just that bit on the end that's still not right. There you go. Looks terrible, doesn't it? Worn oil stones. The rest of it's coming up okay. There's a little bit of cross there, but that's only because I've been going different directions on here. But that's got to go down. I've reduced that by 50%, and it's going to take me another couple of hours. Good thing is it's easy clean on the rest of it, so the rest will clean up pretty good quite quickly. Bit of rust on here, that will clean up quite quickly as well. So it's not a bad one. Right, I'm done. And if you've got a fire like me, plain shavings inside a cardboard tube, they're great for lighting the fire. And as per the last video, I just thought I'd spend 5 minutes making 5 blocks. I've got the coffees done to it. There's a real coffee smell to that. This liquid's pouring out. It's incredibly chocolatey, and it's beautiful liquid. Anyhow, got some blocks made. Those can go home. Firewood. Going home, I thought coming down in the lift would save me a bit of hassle, but these doors are on auto spring shut there. Oh, pain in the neck. Anyhow, this is heavy. Let's get in the car. Yeah, there's a crocodile in the car. And this is my crocodile, and I've set her all up. The arms come through there, legs come through there, tail. She's 11 foot long, and she's together. And working jaw, let me just show you. It works like this, and it goes a bit higher than that normally. I haven't set it up right, but yeah, we've got a bit of a war horse thing going on. And the jaw and the head wobbles, it's all articulated, and the tail moves. Yeah, she's pretty good.